Okay, continuing on this way, go over here and you can get a blue shard. This place is really, really, really bumpy and has a lot of trainers, and you walk as slow as a slug. Look at me, I'm literally walking as slow as a snail. Why do they make snow like this? Why do I have to walk as slow? As slow as a snail. Why? Look at this. Look at this. It's like... really. Oh, that's cool. Hail, and now it's hailing. Alright, another thing is you need to go behind this house. This is where you get HM rock climb. You need to get it, or otherwise you will never, ever, you'll be a bad trainer if you don't get rock climb. You need it. It's like the thing you need. You need to have it. Alright, this guy over here, he's really hard to avoid. You should know how he rolls. If you know how he walks and stuff, it should be easy. Alright, now you walk very fast here. And of course she will notice you. And she asks you for a Pokemon battle. What do you say, guys? Should we battle her? Yeah! Yeah, we are battling her now. And if you guys haven't known, my graphics has changed a lot. So, I know, it's gonna be a very good battle. I hope you guys can see. Actually, after Crystal, I'm gonna be making variety of videos like Mario 64, Pokemon, Dragon Ball Z, Naruto game, all sorts of those kinds of games. All sorts of games I will be making. And I'll be making walkthroughs for. I'll also be doing Pokemon Yellow, Pokemon Crystal, all of those wonderful games that have been in 1999, 1998, 2000, stuff like that. And I really just like Platinum a lot. Ooh, Aqua Ring. Feels it. But it will get buffed, I hope. Yes. Goodbye. Now this is a good place to train up aveltchev. Not because it takes a while, but because aveltchev is going to need a lot of EXP for the gym. Of course it'll be super effective because the gym's an ice type. So what? But aveltchev needs to have at least a good amount of power. So, because I'm scared of one of her Pokemon. Never teach your Pokemon that move. Fire Spin is the worst fire type move ever. Now my repel wore off. I'm gonna use another one. The good old lakefront. And then he leaves out of there. Now then, let's look at our map for a sec. Alright. So he's all the way up there and he's ready to battle them. And now you're walking here as slow as a snail. Oh, why do they make snow like this? Pathetic. Two words. Pathetic. You can get a lot of items here. And here we are. The good old Snow Point City. Beautiful molestic areas of the city arise. Different areas. Talking with the folks over here, it's actually really healthy to talk to other people because some people like this girl would like to trade. She'd like a Medicham, and she'll give you a Haunter for a Medicham. You can catch Meditites and Medichams here. as well as check out something cool over here. You can't go, because only the chosen one may go. I'm really mad. But it doesn't matter, it's still a good thing to have, and good Pokemon. Now, you know what I'm doing? I'm actually gonna come down here. I'm gonna heal up my Pokemon. Oh wait, it's Maylene. Brr. Oh hi Alex, are you going to take a gym now? I'm hoping to see Canada soon, but I'm staying up until I warm up. She wants me to what? Practice with her. Now that's a really fun thing. You can actually, did she just say practice with her? Oh my god, I think she's on drugs. Sorry. Yeah, alright. Well, yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching, and, yeah, bye.